Hey, it's Nicola, and I'm gonna show you how you can perform the issue triage with using the Atlassian Intelligence. So first of all, you need to be within your service project. When you're within your service project, you can go to your queues, and within your queues, I'm gonna be choosing these issues right here. So what you wanna do is I'm gonna select, let's say, 5 of these issues, and in here it's going to appear Atlassian Intelligence where it says update issues to use request types suggested by the Atlassian Intelligence. Now, it's not really gonna, suggest like the accurate ones because in here I'm having these cloned issues. But when you actually click on the triage of the issues and it's saying update multiple issues to use request types suggested by the Atlassian Intelligence. Now in here, basically, it's saying, well, I don't have I don't have much to choose. So what I can do is I can select for all of these 5, or I can select the 3 of these, and I can say, for example, this to be like questions for the HR. This one could be, let's say, employee transfer. This one can be employee onboarding. And these two, I'm gonna say that these ones are going to be request for leave and also the request for leave. So that is what you can do. The thing is, triage of the issues can be performed for the maximum of a maximum of 10 issues. Everything that is above 10 issues cannot be triaged. So with the 10 issues, you can actually do the triage. And when I click on the apply, now it's saying applying changes to 5 issues in here. It's gonna take a while, so it's performing in the background. And now this is what we have, and this is actually now finished. So if I refresh this one more time to actually see what is going on, I can now see that these are actually indeed here. Was a problem showing this field. Okay, this is actually interesting because this might be a minor glitch. You can just ignore this, but this is what the triage can actually do. This is really handy if you have created some of the requests that basically don't have any request types, but then again you decide that you actually they have some request types, you can actually do the triage, and that's it for, of course, maximum of 10 issues. Yeah, so that is it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.